Hello there! In the previous video, we installed the JDK on Windows. In this video, we will download and install Java Development Kit, JDK, on Mac. At the beginning of the previous video, we said that the Kotlin language runs on the Java virtual machine. Therefore, in order to develop applications using the Kotlin language, we need JDK. Okay, after this brief information, let's move on to the JDK installation now. First, I will open a web browser. I use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. Now let's write the Download JDK in the search bar. After pressing the Enter key, I open the first of the results, namely the Java Downloads page. If you notice, the most up-to-date version of Java is Java 19, and it's available. Scroll down this page a little bit. And here we can download the appropriate JDK for our computer. As you can see, there are JDK installation files for Linux, Mac, and Windows operating systems. Since my operating system is Mac OS 64-bit, I chose the x64 DMG installer option from here. Also at this stage, a pop-up may open asking you to confirm the license agreement. You must confirm the agreement to continue. Also, it may head you to a single sign-on page because you need to have an Oracle account to download a Java installer package. If you don't have an account, don't worry. It's free and quite simple. You can get a new one by clicking the Create Account option. When you log in, the download starts immediately. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Therefore, I'm stopping the screen recording here, and when the download is complete, we will continue where we left off. All right, guys, the download is complete. Let's open this DMG file. I double-click on it. And as you can see, the setup wizard was opened. I double-click on the box to start the installation. In this window, I click the Continue button and click the Install button. At this stage, the operating system asks you to enter the system password. I'm entering the password. And I click the Install Software button, and the installation process has begun. This process may take some time. Okay, the installation is finished. I click the Close button to close this wizard, and you can click the Move to Trash button. Okay, the installation is done. Also, we can check the Java version from the terminal. I open the terminal. Here I write Java, and after a space I write -version, and click Enter. If everything goes right, you will see the version of Java. Congratulations! Okay, friends, we have completed the JDK installation on Mac. Let's take a short break here, and I'll see you in the next lesson.